Chapter 3, Circumstances which mitigate criminal liability. Article 13, Mitigating circumstances. The following are mitigating circumstances. First, 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all the requisites necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the respective cases are not attended. 2. The offender is under 18 years of age or over 70 years in the case of minor, with the provision of Article 18. 3. The offender had no intention to commit so grave a wrong as the committed. 4. That sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately preceded the act. 5. The act was committed in the immediate vindication of grave offense to the one committing the felony or delicto, his spouse, ascendants, or relatives by affinity within the same degrees. 6. That of having acted upon an impulse so powerful as naturally to have produced passion of obfuscation. 7. The offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority or his agent, or that he voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence for the prosecution. 8. That the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, and otherwise suffering some physical defect which thus restricts his means of action, defense, or communication with his fellow beings. 9. Such illness of the offender as would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without, however, depriving him of the consciousness of his act. 10. And finally, any other circumstances of a similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned.